Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable Excel shortcuts in Google Sheets. If you're someone who's used to working in Excel and recently switched to Google Sheets, this feature will make your transition much smoother by allowing you to use the familiar keyboard shortcuts you already know. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Google Workspace account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your workspace. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your Google Sheets files and settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google apps and files are accessible. From here, simply click on any spreadsheet you want to open. It doesn't matter which one you choose, since we'll be adjusting a global setting that applies to all your Google Sheets files. Just select any spreadsheet to get into the Google Sheets interface. Once your spreadsheet loads, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options like File, Edit, View, and others. Look for the option labeled Help and click on it. This menu contains various support resources and settings related to how you interact with Google Sheets. From the Help drop-down menu, locate and click on Keyboard Shortcuts. This will open a panel showing all available keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheets. It's a comprehensive list that displays all the commands you can use to navigate and work more efficiently within the application. Now here's the key part. Within this Keyboard Shortcuts panel, you'll see an option that says Enable Compatible Spreadsheet Shortcuts. Right beside this text, there's a toggle button. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on. Once you do this, Google Sheets will recognize and respond to Excel-style keyboard shortcuts, making your workflow much more familiar if you're transitioning from Microsoft Excel. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Excel shortcuts in Google Sheets. This simple adjustment can significantly speed up your work and reduce the learning curve when switching between the two platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.